Good morning, and I'm so tired. Lots of fun stuff planned today. Let's get to it. Just a wee bit humid. Look at all this perspiration. Oh wow, it's kind of cloudy and overcast. Oh, we're gonna have some rain today, guys. Teacher, what are you doing in there, man? Where's the key?
Put more Crocs on.
Smells good.
Raise your hand if you're excited for the Science Museum.
Me.
Good. Should be fun.
Maybe.
Sideways?
Maybe.
Alright, you don't have to go, but how about that?
The maybe.
That's what I thought. There you go. Lay it down. Perfect. Go! Another adventure day! Yeah! Alright, we made it to the Thinkery place. Time to go check it out. Dragon Park. Look at, there's Caesar, Carlo, and Macro sitting out front. How are you guys in two places? Carlo got it.
Is this the place? Oh,
Yeah.
it is. Okay.
Daddy took all of the rim. Daddy, you could hold this.
What's 2 plus 3? Don't tell him, Caesar.
5.
5. Caesar, what's 5 plus 6?
10. No, 11.
Oh, yeah.
My brain is counting. I can count in my mind. I want to see what it is.
It's coloring.
Yeah.
Magic coloring. No price on it. That's dangerous. Ooh, look at this dragon kite. That's pretty cool. Egg chalk. Look at that thing.
It's like a car wash. Oh, look at this.
Oh, zip ties. What is it? Oh, there. It's all zip ties. It does. Walk through.
Where's the balls? Oh, here they are, Caesar. Okay, drop it in here. Drop it in here first. Wait, go get it, Caesar. Go get the ball. Try it. Go. It'll shoot down here. Oh.
A bee. Let's see what a butterfly is like.
No, you gotta put it right underneath. Look, it's right down here. And you gotta focus it like this. See, look. Wait. Look it, Caesar, look. What is that, a fly?
Oh, what's this? See this?
Focus it, Caesar, focus it.
Look it!
Wow, try Macros now. Macros, you try. Nice beehive, dude. What do you got, Carlo? Butterfly?
Oh, telescopes? Oh, super cool.
Oh, you don't want to see this.
Ooh. There's mommy's favorite.
Gosh.
Cockroach.
Let me see that cockroach. Oh, there's a cockroach. I'm gonna put. Mama, you don't want
Where's
to
Caesar
eat
going?
it.
He's playing with the gears.
There we go. There we go. Figured that out? Go. Float it, dude. Float them all. Look at you, bud. Uh-oh. Why don't you think it floats too?
What?
It's like the force.
Keep this out, hold this. You can move all the stuff.
Here. Here, put
I
this
know.
to the wheel.
Put another one. No, it has to be.
So make another one just like that. Do this maybe?
I made 2 wheels.
Or you can do like this.
Wrap it all the way around.
Yeah, I did it. Okay, run it on the floor, see if it goes. Go show mama. Home engineering.
Oh, on the first try. Caesar's like in his zone where he loves this kind of stuff. I mean, they all do. See, I'm like
Go, go, go. Other way, other way, other way. Other way. There you go. Oh, faster, faster. Fast as you can. Look at that. It's magic. Good work. What's up? What's up? Whoa! Ready? Turn it on. There it goes. Wow!
Are you crazy? Thank you.
So what? Spin it like this, it makes music. You hit me with your elbow. Yeah.
Solid.
That's cool, man.
with the block.
Oh, that's sweet.
I'm scared this is gonna fall over. This is Aquaman's trident I'm making.
Aquaman's trident?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah!
that's cool. You probably hurt that little boy. Wait, boy. There you go. Keep going, keep going. Look, it's going. Go, 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 go. It's gonna jump. Oh! Oh, mine's not going. Oh, I need to put spoons in mine, that's why. I need to put some spoons. Yours is ripping, Caesar. You need your own shopping basket, Pop. Sure.
Matthew, please be careful around them, okay? Thank you.
I'll be right there. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. See?
Definitely keep the audio in.
I'm literally videoing. Oh no.
Carlo, Carlo, come here, now. 1, 2.
You guys have to go on the other side. Barbara, go down. Come on. Okay, don't panic. Is that camera?
Oh, I thought you were gonna eat it, dude. It's like parkour. Parkour! Parkour! Boys are finishing up at this awesome place, Thinkery in Austin. Super cool for kids. And there's a cool dragon out there. No, just on the dragon, not going in the park. We already went on a bunch of playgrounds. Cool dragon, huh? Here, stand right here in front. Let me take your picture. Sea Beast, but Sea Beast was red, remember?
That can be fun.
Lunchtime. Mario Party time. Like put a line out there for them to do behind us. Because they're. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for today. We're just going to be here relaxing, chilling with some family at the RV. If you like this video or you've enjoyed this series so far, do me a huge favor, subscribe to our channel. We have more videos coming for like the next 10 or 11 days. We appreciate you. Thank you. And we'll catch you on the next one. Adios.